Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve that jumbo twist look from the picture, or the, what do you call it? Yeah, the picture. So first you're going to start off by sectioning your hair into 4 parts. And you want to make sure that you have your rat tail comb, some rubber bands. I don't know if you can see that. I got a whole thing of them. And you also want to make sure that you have your hair. Gel of your choice. Today I'm going to be using L'Oreal Paris Lock-It Extreme Hold. I usually wouldn't use this type of gel on my hair, but I'm going to wash it tomorrow after I take this style out anyway, so hey. So first you're going to start off with moisturizing and sealing your hair, which I have already done. Make sure you know what type of way you want your hair to fall with these twists. For me, it's just going to be a middle part, so I'm going to section it off into 4 parts and then put rubber bands on those 4 parts and then show you how to twist. All right. So I kind of changed my mind, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this 1 into 1 twist, jumbo twist. So I'm going to take my gel, just a tiny bit of amount, and you're going to put it around the edges because you want this to be very sleek. So I'm going to show you one, or just this section, and I'm going to come back when my whole head is done. So you brush it down. Really tight. Take your rubber band, and then you want to make sure that you pull up because you want the twist at the center of the section. And then pull. So I don't know if you can see that. My hair is really curly, so it's not going to be like extra straight like some people's are, or some other ones, because I don't believe in slapping gel on my hair until I look like a cow licked my head. Let me just put it that way. So then you're going to take the second section, pin it back with the comb, repeat, taking your gel around the section. You're gonna brush. I'm gonna brush mine to the sides because I want mine to lay to the sides. So same thing, you're gonna make sure you're doing this at the center of the twist. Do the tightness to your liking. However, don't make it too tight, because remember, we still have to put the braiding hair. We still have to attach that braiding hair to it. And if it's tight, like too tight from the rubber band, just being on that by itself, it's gonna give you a headache. So just be mindful of how many times you loop around with your rubber band. This is a very quick style. It's something that can be done before bed or before you go to work. if you have a good 30 minutes, because that's literally all it's gonna take, guys, just 30 minutes. All right. So, pin that over like so. I would detangle the section again, add a little bit of the moisturizer for those of you who care. This is an oldie but goodie for me. And then I'm just sealing with coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you like. I know a lot of people don't like coconut oil. Okay, so you're gonna take about an inch thick of hair because we want this whole thing to cover up our hair. So this is the thickness of the hair. I have pre-stretched hair. So you see at the bottoms is gonna go into a nice little, you know, it's gonna get thin at the end like regular hair does. So what I like to do is start mine off just to keep it simple as a like little box braid. So what I like to do is split my hair, do it like this. So 1 inch thick. Like that. Once again, split your hair in the middle, like so. Place the weave in the middle of the part and grab one section of your hair with this index thumb, and then you start to twist your hair into it and just braid. done. So I just did 3 big ones in the front on each side and then 2 in the back. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!